今天是礼拜六，现在是在大都会博物馆这儿。今天有好几个新的展览，不过准备先要看一个，就是叫做 World Culture Event， 就是专门是介绍世界各地的文化的一个 festival。今天还有很多新的展览，包括这个 Tudor 的展览，然后那边还有一个叫做立体主义 Cubanism。
We are celebrating our theme of makers. That's right, makers of all types and sizes, shapes, and colors. We're excited to bring you here to the Met and explore how people around the world find inspiration through materials and technology. World Culture Festival Makers at the Met is made possible in part by Council Member Keith Powers. So thank you very much, Council Member Powers.
We're called the Thunderbird American Indian Dancers, and I'm so happy that the Metropolitan Museum has invited us to be part of the World Culture Festival. This dance goes back many years ago when the people out in North and South Dakota depended on the buffaloes for many things. Number one, of course, the buffalo was their source of food. Number two, the buffalo hides they would use to make their houses or teepees. Number three, the buffalo skin they would use to make their clothes. And number four, the buffalo bones they would use to make spoons, knives, needles to sew with. And the boys and girls used to take the buffalo ribs, which are very big. They would tie those together and they'd make a sled out of it that they could slide down the grassy hills in North and South Dakota. But 300 or 400 years ago, the buffaloes didn't stay in one place. They wandered all over North and South Dakota.